Happy New Year. I wish you all the best in 2019 to you and your families. Thank you guys for support. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and thank you for being a part of this channel on these restorations. So if this is something that you enjoy, or maybe you will even learn something, or you will find an inspiration for yourself, I highly recommend you to subscribe and to be part of this community. So for now, the goal is to grow the channel to at least to try to upload at least once a week in 2019. Keep you guys posted with a rebuild series. As of now, we will be working on vehicles that are in a price range of 2-3 grand. You guys can be definitely part of flipping battles, right? Every car to flip, it's a struggle on its own. I personally do believe in karma, and I would feel bad selling something that I would not enjoy. Yeah, I will definitely give my best to make the vehicle completely. I mean, at the end of the day, all these vehicles needs to pass salvage inspection. They do have lots of checks over there, like body check, alignment check, and a mechanical check, right? So at least here in Alberta, like those are 3 stages of salvage inspection, right? So if you do enjoy this channel, I would be thankful to you if you would share this content with your friends and families, so we can do more stuff like this. So far in 2018, we reached 32 subscribers, which I'm very proud of. To each and every single one of you. And for 2019 we do have big plans. Hopefully we will be able to flip at least 6 vehicles, something like this. So these, what I'm gonna reveal right now, are not gonna count I mean, yes, they will, or not, since they were bought in 2018. Let's count them as a 2018 project then. But let me show you, because you guys are not, you guys are still not aware of what am I talking about. So what we have here, it's 2017 Volkswagen Golf TSI MK7 with 8,427 kilometers. Sorry for the low light. That's as well one of the plans for 2019, to install nice and big bright lights in a garage. So let me show you a real quick tour from inside. So yeah, the vehicle still smells like new inside. Let's see if I have removed the battery. So all airbags are deployed. I mean, side curtain ones, dashboard, steering wheel, and inside all the seat belts are locked, but not the rear ones, sorry. Yeah, the rear ones are still fine. And in the front, engine mount bracket is broken, crash bar, bumper, both of the headlights. This one has a small chip here, and I will assume here as well it's broken. So yeah, for this episode, yeah, and of course the hood is damaged and windshield is cracked, so we will be removing the windshield for this one as well. I don't know, guys, if you can see from this angle, but we already do have parts for this vehicle. Now let me show you. So this is 2016 Golf TSI with perfect condition of a front end. It has, it's a little bit too dark here. It has 70,000 kilometers on the engine, and this one was rear-ended. And it was rear-ended a lot. Yeah, so we all do have parts. The only thing that I will need to order for this vehicle for a 2017, because we will be repairing 2017, are seat belts, because the seat belts are locked in this one as well. Whoa. Yeah, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Tight. Okay, so that's enough of talking. Yeah, in this episode, I will try to remove all the damaged parts. And yeah, let's see what we can do for today. think this impact was a big one, huh? Yes, so serio. Ja. Okay, so just to demonstrate this piece was sitting like this. Voila. So now we will, I think that will be one of my first goals to transfer the engine mount to this vehicle. From there on, like, I think everything, I mean, hopefully everything should be.
Every day I try to describe soul. Maybe you could hum 8 bars of what soul represents.
Okay, we have to remove everything. There's a lot of things to be removed, but it is what it is. Great success! All the way here underneath, we had to lose this bracket. And now we can remove this, some inlet thing, or whatever it's called. Beautiful. So now we have a better view onto this one. Like, this needs to be replaced, but I have no clue what this could be. we have removed this inlet hose or whatever it's called. It was going all the way down to the radiator. Obviously, whole front part. I will need to replace this battery holder because this air filter bracket that holds the assembly here is broken. We have removed the engine mounts, radiator, lots of plastic crap over here, hood, then this lower piece, trim. The next thing what I plan to do is to remove these crush bar brackets, both of them, to remove this windshield. Look how easy it's to pop the give me a second. How easy it is to pop the bracket on the windshield. Wow. And then we need to remove this assembly in order to start cutting out this thing around. Overall, I think it's a great success. Let me know, guys, what you think of my rebuild. Let me know if you guys have noticed that anything that something is damaged and I haven't noticed. Maybe something like this. This is pinched. Okay, this on the alternator. Oh, yeah. Well, this is shaky because of the mount, but let me see underneath if I can notice if anything is off the track, and I can't. Okay, as we said earlier, like and subscribe. Let's do this 2019.